Vaginal estrogen is great stuff, but that plastic applicator that you're given to squirt the vaginal estrogen into your vagina, not so great. I mean, yeah, it's reusable and environmentally friendly, but it has to be washed after every use. I mean, you can put it in the dishwasher, but do you really want to put your vagina cream applicator next to your forks and knives? And then you have to explain what it is to your son when he unloads the dishwasher? Not to mention, it never really gets clean. There's always that crusty, dried up cream stuck in there. So here's the hack. You're going to throw away that nasty applicator and use your finger instead. But before you throw it away, you need to measure how much to put on your finger. So this is what you do. Load your applicator with your usual dose of cream. Then apply it to your index finger so you know how much you're going to need to use. Now that you've figured that out, throw your applicator away. You then insert your finger into the vagina. You don't need to reach for the sky. Most estrogen receptors are in the lower third of the vagina, so a couple of inches is all you need. So after you do the whole vagina sweep thing, then take a little bit of the extra estrogen and apply it to the opening, to the vestibule, and then go north. And make sure that you're putting a little bit on the urethra, that little flower there, and then go a little further north and hit the clitoris. And if you're worried that your dose won't be exact, unlike other medications, it doesn't really matter. Little too much, a little less, it's all good. In the directions on the estrogen cream, it says, now wash your hands. Total waste of estrogen cream. If there's any left, make sure to go under your eyes and then on your hands. My podcast episode on estrogen and skin will fill you in on all the details on that. This hack is not only environmentally friendly, you'll have no applicator to deal with, wash, or hide, and your vulva, eyes, and hands will appreciate the extra estrogen. And check out my other gynecologic hacks, because I'm betting your own gynecologist never told you any of this stuff.